Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to stick to our same chapter, that is chapter number 3, graphics and animation in PowerPoint. In this chapter up till now we have covered the introduction of the chapter, that is working with graphics, inserting media elements, adding animation effect and adding transition effects. This thing I have told you last week itself when we started with the chapter. So in working with graphics, last week we have started with working with graphics. This point, the first point from the chapter, we have started with this. In this there are again points like working with images, drawing shapes, adding word art, inserting charts and inserting smart art graphics in PowerPoint. So last week we have seen that how to work with images in PowerPoint. That is we have seen practically that how to recolor a image. Last week, if you don't remember, you can watch the previous video for better understanding. In that we have seen that how to take a image on your computer, in your PowerPoint, how to recolor a image. If you want to give some other color to your image, how you can recolor image, how you can change the style of the image, how to give different effects to the image. Like last week we have seen that how we have given the effects, 3D effect, glow effect. Okay, by going in layout tab, you can revise it by seeing the last video. And also in the same we have seen how to change the border style of the image. So this point we have covered last week itself. Now proceeding further with, last week you have covered this point working with images. Now in this week today we are going to see how to draw shapes in PowerPoint, how to add word art in PowerPoint, how to insert charts in PowerPoint, and how to insert smart art graphics in PowerPoint. So proceeding with the second point from working with graphics is how to draw shapes in PowerPoint. Okay, so we will see it practically on the screen. Okay, so here we will go. First of all, I will take here a new slide as I want to insert different shapes on my slide. So in PowerPoint, so which slide I can take? I can take a blank slide. So here I have taken a blank slide. Now what I want to do, I want to insert a shape. I want to draw a shape on my slide. So how can I draw a shape on my slide? For that, what you have to do, you have to go in insert tab. In insert tab here, can you see here the option of shapes? Which is the option over here? Shapes. You have to click over here. After clicking over here, suppose whichever effect you want to give. Suppose you want the shape of a cloud. From here you can take a cloud, and here you will get the cloud printed. Okay, suppose if you want to change the color of the cloud, how you can change the color of the cloud? Just go in home tab, and from here we will change the color of the cloud. Okay, from here we will change the color of the cloud. Suppose white color, gray color. So from here we can change the color of the cloud. Even in home tab also we have a here box called drawing. In this also you are able to see a shape. Suppose you want sun, so we will find where is sun. So this is sun. So here I have taken a sun. Now suppose we will take this sun in some other color like orange, and we will take border as yellow. Okay, we will take shape fill color as orange, and we will give outline as yellow. Okay, so here in this way, by going in home or by going in insert tab, you can take different shapes. And in home tab here you will find the options for giving different color to the shape, giving different effect to the shape, like we have done for our images. Same way here you can change the effect of your effect of your shape. Here you can give outline, different outline to your shape. Like here I will give a purple outline, so you can see here purple outline is visible. Now how much width you want of your border, that also you can decide. See here, as I am going down, the width is increasing. So in this way you can increase the width. You can give outline color. So you want more colors, you can give it from here. Like I want it in some other color, red, so red color. So in this way you can take shape on your slide by going in home tab or by going in insert tab. दोनों तरफ shapes का option available है. Just in home tab you have to go over here, you have to click on the arrow, the bottom arrow, and from here you will get the shapes, and whichever shape you want you can select that shape, and after selecting just stretch your cursor and here you will get your shape. And if you want to fill the shape, from here you can fill your shape. Okay, from here you can fill your shape. Okay, so here we have finished our second point from working with graphics, that is drawing shapes. Okay, now further going with adding word art. The third point from working with graphics is adding word art. Adding word art. Word art is a feature in PowerPoint that gives special effect to your text. Special effect मतलब आपका जो text है ना उसको special बनाता है. First of all I will take here blank slide below this. Okay, अभी मुझे क्या करना है ना, मुझे वर्ड आर्ट का फीचर यूज करना है. कौन सा फीचर यूज करना है? वर्ड आर्ट का फीचर यूज करना है. सो फॉर यूजिंग द फॉर व्हाट वर्ड आर्ट फीचर इज यूज? वर्ड आर्ट फीचर इन आवर पावर पॉइंट इज यूज्ड फॉर गिविंग स्पेशल इफेक्ट टू योर टेक्स्ट. नाउ हाउ इट विल गिव स्पेशल इफेक्ट टू योर टेक्स्ट, दैट वी विल सी practically. For giving word art or for using word art on your PowerPoint on your slide, just go in the insert tab. In insert tab here in text you will get to see word art. Click over here. After clicking over here, whatever style you want for your text, जो भी आपको स्टाइल चाहिए आपके टेक्स्ट के लिए, यू कैन सिलेक्ट दैट स्टाइल फ्रॉम हियर. सपोज आई वांट दिस स्टाइल फॉर माय टेक्स्ट. ओके, सो आई हैव सिलेक्टेड हियर स्टाइल फॉर माय टेक्स्ट. हियर आई एम टाइपिंग वेलकम टू क्लास 6. So here my style is changed. So now suppose you want to change the direction or you want to fill it with some other color. Like I will go here, this one is the border color, so I am giving here fill as red color. Now outline you want to give in some other color, so here is the outline. So outline is given in some other color to this shape. Now you want to give effect for this, so here from here you can give different effects. You can apply different effects on your word art by going in format tab. If you want to change the text outline, see here I have given yellow, I will use some other color like purple. I will give here text fill as yellow and see it's changed. Okay, you want to give different effect, from here you can give different effect, you can change the mode. Okay, so here like this way you can use word art in your PowerPoint. For using word art in your PowerPoint, just go in the insert tab and click on word art, and whichever form of text you want you can select that form. Suppose I have selected this form. Okay, now we will see how these forms works. Okay, I will just move it, and here just I am typing welcome. Okay, welcome. Okay, now see this form is different from the first one. From this one is different. So here suppose we will again do here fill color. So this one text outline. So first of all I will have to select this, then text outline. So I am giving here red, here text effect, here this one I am changing my text effect as well over here by going in format. So in this way you can apply word art on your PowerPoint slides. Okay, so here we completed other point from this chapter, that is adding word art. Now next point that we are going to see in working with graphics is how to insert charts. चार्ट्स लाइक आपके मैथ्स में होते हैं ना, बार ग्राफ के चार्ट्स होते हैं, पाई चार्ट के चार्ट्स होते हैं. ओके, सो हाउ टू यूज दोस रेडीमेड चार्ट्स which are created in our PowerPoint, how to use them in our PowerPoint. So how to insert charts in PowerPoint? For inserting chart in our PowerPoint, first we will go on home tab. In home tab, first we will take a new slide. That one is a blank slide. Now here we will see that how to insert a charts. So for inserting a chart, first of all you will have to go in insert option, in which menu you have to use for inserting a chart. You have to use a insert option, insert menu. In insert menu you will find the option called, in illustration you will find the option called as charts. कौन सा ऑप्शन मिलेगा? charts. You have to click on chart. After clicking on chart, here you will find that there are many forms of chart, like these are the column charts. ये कौन से है? These are the column charts. Then again different type of charts are there called as line charts. These are the line charts. Then from here you can see, now this one is the pie chart. आपकी इंग्लिश में देखते होंगे आप लोग. Okay, so these are the pie charts. Then bar charts, so these are the bar charts in your PowerPoint. Now next one is the area chart. These are called as the area chart. Then next one is the XY scatter chart. Here can you see, this one is called as the XY scatter chart with the dots. Next type of chart here is the stock chart. This form of chart is called as a stock chart. Next form of chart is surface chart. This type of chart is called as surface chart. Now the next form of chart available in PowerPoint is a donut chart. Donut, you have seen that is sweet and you eat. So this is the form of this donut chart. This is the form of donut chart. In the same way we have bubble chart as well, we have radar chart as well. So these are the different forms of charts available in our PowerPoint. So whichever type of chart you want to use, you wish to use in your PowerPoint, as per the requirement you can use that chart on your slides. Suppose here I will use the pie chart. I have selected the pie chart of second type. So okay, and I am clicking on OK. So here you will get to see that here I got a chart, here I got a pie chart. In this pie chart, suppose if I want to change, if I want to change here it is given as first quarter, second quarter. Suppose I want to change this. So how can I change this? I want to change these cells. Instead of cells I will give here percentage. It's okay, nothing changes. अगर आपको percentage का बनाना है, so here you will give the name as percentage in this Excel sheet. After giving here name as percentage, the changes you will able to see on this slide. Okay, so here suppose if I am changing here it is given first quarter, I will give the color name. Like here the first one is brown, I will give here brown. Again then yellow, next one is blue, and the last one is gray. Okay, so according to color I have given name. So here you can see that the names are also changed. After that suppose I want to change the percentage of pie chart. मुझे pie chart के percentage change करना है. I can change it from here 10.5. So you can see the changes, they are happening on this spot. Here 4.6. So see here it is changing now 10.5. So this here blue I have changed again 3. So here in this way you can make changes to your chart. Okay, so here I have taken a pie chart. If you want a bar chart, you can take bar chart. If you want any other type of chart, you can take any other type of chart as well. Bar chart, line chart, scatter chart, any of the type you can take. So, and if you want to change the color of the chart, you can go in a format tab. You can change the here color, you can change the border. Here it was I have given here yellow. Here suppose you want in a chart, you want to do here text color, you want to change, it's black, so I want to give some other color like blue, so I have given here color in style as well. So in this way you can do many things by taking chart on your slide. Now next point that we will see here, I will close this file now, as this is over chart. Now next point that we are going to see in working with graphics is how to insert smart art graphics. Okay, how to insert a smart art graphics. So we will go on a slide in PowerPoint. I will go in home tab, and first of all, for inserting smart art, I will take a new slide. That one is a blank slide. After taking blank slide, now I want to take a smart art. So for what smart art is used? The smart art in PowerPoint allows us to use allow us to add many useful graphics in a presentation. ग्राफिक्स मतलब हमारा जो डेटा है उसको अलग अलग तरीके से बताने के लिए किसका यूज़ होता है? स्मार्ट आर्ट का. So from where you will get this smart art? In PowerPoint you will get this smart art by going in insert tab. In insert tab, here you will see the option near chart in illustration box, that is smart art. You have to click on smart art. In this also, same like chart, there are many types of smart art like list, this one is process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid. Okay, so whichever is suitable for you, you can select that chart and you can take that chart in your on your slide. Okay, so here I will take one form of chart. That one is list. From list I have taken this chart for the first one, and I am clicking on OK. So here, as per your choice, what you can do, you can give the name like in computer there are many things. Suppose you want to change the chart type, you are not suitable with this type and you want to change the chart type, even you can change the type of the chart over here by clicking over here. And if you want to change the color of the chart, from here you can change the color of the chart as well. Suppose I want to give this color in the form of table, I can change the color of the chart. Okay, so there are many colors. You can scroll down and you can take different colors for your chart. In format tab, if you want better color for your chart, you can select the better color for your chart as well. Okay, this one is the border, and text fill you want in some other color, so you can take it from here. So here suppose I am giving here, like I will give here animals, birds. Okay, here wild animals. So here we can use this for giving for presenting our special information in front of others. We can use this chart, like here animals, like here I will show domestic animal like cow, buffalo, birds, and wild animals. So the smart art is used for showing the useful information in the type of graphical chart, in the form of graphical way. You can use the smart art types, and you can. So the smart art in our presentation is used to show the descriptive information in the form of graphical images to the users. Okay, so here we are from this chapter we have completed our first point completely, that is how to work with graphics. Now remaining 3 points that we will see in next lecture. The points remaining are inserting media elements, adding animation effects, and adding transition effects. Okay, so these points we will see afterwards. Thank you.